Here we have IPL data like a season year, city, toss winner and the winner. So what we want here, so whatever season year we'll put here, according to that this data should be shown here. So everyone has used the advanced filter. So today we will see that how we can combine the macro and the advanced filter. So first of all, we will go to the developer tab. We will record the macro and we will name it like a advanced filter. And I'll simply click on OK. Then we will go to the data tab. The data tab I'll select on the advanced filter. So the first thing is a list range. So our list range will be this whole data like this. Then the criteria range. So our criteria range will be this one, the season year and the year. Then we want this to copy to another location. So we'll select the second option. And then the copy location. So our copy location will be like this. We'll select this part and then we'll simply click on. So now you can see we have 2017 data same like this. So now what we'll do, we'll go to the developer tab and we'll stop the recording. Then I'll simply insert one text box here like this. And I can rename it like a search. Here we can just adjust this here. You can adjust it by pressing Alt so that it will be set into the cell size. Make it a little bit larger. And then we can right click on this and we can assign the macro which we have just created. Okay, and then I'll simply type another year, for example 2008, and then I'll click on search. So you can see now I have data of the 2008. If I click again here and if I press 2017 again, then I'll just click on the search and I have all the data of the 2017. If someone asks you to select the cells till E column and 20,000 row, so if you select like this manually, then it is going to take a lot of time. Instead of that, you can simply type here E20,000 and press shift enter and all the cells will be selected. Then you can simply format it as you want. Do you adjust your column width like this? Then you should definitely know this. So you can go to simply your sheet name, right click on that, click on the view code. Make sure you have worksheet selected and then type here that sales dot entire column dot autofit. You can simply select from here and then save it and close it. So now if you write anything that yes, I know how to auto width, and you can see it will automatically adjust the column width here. If you have date in this format and you try to convert this date into the actual date format like this, but still it will not work because this date, month and year are separated by dots. So what is the solution? Simply select all these cells, go to the data section, click on the text to column, click on the next, again click on the next and select here date. We know that first two digit are a date, the second two digit are a month, then we have year. So we can select this DMY and in the destination instead of A2 we will select this P2 and we'll simply click on the finish. So now you have data into the date format. So sometimes we have data like this, that meter, then space, then something, and we want the sum of this. So if I try to use the sum formula here, I'll get the nothing, right? Because this formula is not correct because these are not in the zero, right? So what we will do now, we will select all these cells, then we will go to the custom formats, right? And this time, instead of this general, we'll put one space and in the double quotes, we will add meter here. Okay, then I'll simply click on OK. So now if I just delete this part and now if I add numbers like 3, 10, you can see meter will come automatically. And now if I try to use the sum formula here like this, okay, so you can see now I'm getting the total like a meter 13. So if I add 15 here, so you can see now it is a 28. So you just need to go to your formatting, put one space ahead of the general and write meter in double quotes. You can write anything whatever you want.